Welcome back. Well, this evening, if you are in Mont Alto, there are some clouds lingering, but they are going to continue to pass throughout the evening. It's still warm as well, 84 degrees. Most of us are still sitting in the low 80s. And notice again, it's still muggy out there. Dew point of 70 degrees, and really across the region, while we still see lots of these greens here on the map and see some of these dew point temperatures up into the 60s and the 70s, it is still muggy, but that's not for much longer. Now, we start to dry out a bit by midnight, but watch this. As we move into tomorrow morning, we're starting to see a lot drier air. So that is going to be the case, especially for tomorrow. Part of the reason for this is this front that we have moving through the area now. That's really helping to dry us out. Notice behind it a little bit more cooler air, and that is going to help us stay more comfortable tomorrow. Now again, we are dry for this evening. We're going to stay dry for tomorrow. We do have those passing clouds overnight. Some peaks of sunshine are going to be there throughout the morning and the afternoon as well. Again, staying dry for your Sunday and even into Monday morning. When we talk about the next chance for rain, it's important to see where we are with our tropics, especially in the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico. So we do have a couple of systems. So the first is earlier what we were talking about as Tropical Depression Fred. Now notice we're talking about the remnants of Fred as it has started to lose some strength, but it is going to be re-strengthening back as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico. And then on the other side, again, this is August and we are getting closer to the peak of hurricane season. So we do have another tropical system. This is Tropical Storm Grace, but focusing in on Fred a little bit more because that is the one that's a little bit closer to us. When we look at its track again, I told you it's going to be strengthening back into a tropical storm, and it's really going to be moving up some of our southern states here. And when we look at the time frame for that, by Tuesday afternoon, it's moving all the way up into Tennessee. But behind that, when we actually start to see the effects of that here, it's not until about Monday evening, late into Tuesday. So when we look at our 7-day forecast again for tomorrow, it's going to be very pleasant, less humid. We're going to stay dry, and much of Monday is going to be dry as well. It won't be till late in the day that we might see some rain, but notice Tuesday through Thursday, that's when we're seeing the bulk of our rain, and likely from Tropical Storm Fred. Keeping the chance for some showers in there for Friday as well. So today, like this evening and into tomorrow, is the best chance to get outside if you need to mow your lawn or anything else.
It's been a while since I've seen a 7-day without 90 degrees on it.
I know, that is another piece of it too. We are going to be back into the 80s, so that'll feel a lot more comfortable.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Amber.